Welcome to Organic Valley!
Everybody is talking about ghee. You're probably like, what is it? How do I use it? Is the H silent? Ghee is just clarified butter with high heat performance and ghee-licious flavor. And the crazy thing is, you already know how to use it. Just swap oil or butter for ghee in any recipe. All the internet cooking YouTubers are doing it.
First, we are going to heat some on a pan. I'm using but you can use as well.
Add you like 2.5 tablespoons of
Start with room temperature. It's really important that the is nice and soft.
Drizzle in that.
cream, the a little bit of
A lot of
And I'm gonna be adding to it some
And that's how you use ghee, silly. Teaching people to use something they already know how to use. Call us crazy, but it's working. Organic Valley.